Hello guys, if you are new to my channel then please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get the notifications of my channel. Kohima is the capital of Nagaland and is the second largest city in the state. Originally known as Kyuhira, the city is known for its historical significance, the Hornbill Festival and the traditional art. Apart from its beautiful landscape, Kohima had a wide range of good schools providing quality educations and proper facilities for the students of the city. Moreover, the literacy rate of the states of Nagaland saw an upward trending of 79.55% in the 2011 census as compared to 66.59 in 2001. The schools are mostly affiliated to the Nagaland Board of Secondary Education (NPSC) and a few to Central Board of Secondary Education (CBSE). Here are the top schools in Kohima. Nagaland offers holistic education to its students. Chanmari Higher Secondary School, established in 1974. Chanmari Higher Secondary School is a private unaided organization providing quality education and good facilities to its students. The medium of instruction is English and students from class 1 to class 12 can seek admission in these schools. Along with providing good infrastructure, the school preserves teacher-student ratios 1:28 so that each student receives proper attention from the mentors. Chanmari Higher Secondary School is a co-educational day school affiliated to the Nagaland Board of Secondary Education (NBSC). Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya Kohima was established in 1988. The Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya Kohima is run by the Jawahar Navodaya Samiti Noida. This school is an autonomous body under MHRD. The school provides a wide range of co-curricular activities and considers these activities as an extension of the formal learning experiences. Furthermore, these schools provide career guidance, community integration through its program called Art in Education, Youth Parliament, and much more that encourage students to think out of the box. These schools certainly deserve to be in the list of the top schools in Kohima. Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya is a co-educational government school affiliated to the Central Board of Secondary Education (CBSE). Little Flower Higher Secondary School was established in 1964. Little Flower Higher Secondary School is founded and run by Salesian Sisters of Northeast India. The schools provide quality education and impart sound formations, religious, moral, social, and physical, based on the principles of Christian faith to students belonging to the Christian community and also to the ones coming from other communities. Little Flower Secondary School is an all-girl day school affiliated to the Nagaland Board of Secondary Education (NPSC). St. Paul Institute of Education Pisama. St. Paul Institute of Education is run by the Society of Jesus, which is a religious order founded by Saint Ignatius of Loyola in 1540. The institution mainly focuses on imparting moral education along with providing good facilities that promote the holistic development of its students. The main objective of this school is to promote internal personal development of its students and become matured and spiritually oriented men and women of character. Jesus institutions show preference to students who belong economically disadvantaged group and give them a good education. St. Paul Institute of Education is a co-educational day school affiliated to the Nagaland Board of Secondary Education (NPSC). Don Bosco Higher Secondary School. Don Bosco Higher Secondary School is a Christian minority unaided educational institution run by the great educator of youth Don Bosco with highly qualified staff and good academic and non-academic activities. The school caters to the Catholic community along with non-Catholic students. Don Bosco Higher Secondary School is a co-educational day school affiliated to the Nagaland Board of Secondary Education. Mirhuletsa High School was founded in the year 1974 with an aim to provide accessible, affordable and quality education to the children of the locality. This school has taken up this noble purposes and provide free and good education to 10% of its students. In addition to this, the school provides good facilities and employ modern techniques and individual attentions to its students that facilitate their overall developments. Merhuletsa High School is a co-educational day school affiliated to Nagaland Board of School Education. Asam Public School was established in 1958 and good academic facilities to the children of Assam Rifle personnel. The school buildings green lawn that encourage the overall development to the children along with academic progress. The school make use of modern technology such as smart classes, audio-visual aid and innovative teaching learning method along with orientations, lecture and workshop for parents, teacher and students to facilitate good communications and development of its students. All the amenities and infrastructure makes Assam Rifle Public School as one of the best schools in Kohima. Assam Rifle Public School is a co-educational school affiliated to the Central Board of Secondary Education CBSE New Delhi. J. Rio School. J. Rio School was established in 2005 by the Governor of Nagaland, Sri Shyamal Datta of Nagaland, and run by a registered society, the J. Rio Foundation. The school campus is spread over 10 acres, a perfect blend of nature and modern development, making it one of the best CBSE schools in Kohima. Furthermore, the school provides a wide range of campus facilities such as a vast library with a reading rooms, a hygienic cafeteria, a school store, a periodical health checkup, a well-maintained bus service for transportation, and much more for the welfare of the students and staff. J. Rio is a residential co-educational school affiliated to the Central Board of Secondary Education CBSE, New Delhi. Northfield School, Kohima. Northfield School believe in imparting quality educations for all irrespective of class, religion or community. Where academic are balanced with moral education, the institution believes that it is important to develop human character along with qualifications. Thus, with good academic infrastructure and a variety of co-curricular activities, the school believes that every child is unique and strives to make every student feel at home. Northfield is a co-educational day school affiliated to the Nagaland Board of Secondary Education NBSC and also in league as the best school in Kohima.